Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to talk to you about using the bookmarks bar within your internet browser. I know that you can put bookmarks within QuickBooks Online, and I definitely do, but there are days that it's just faster for me to have them across the top of my internet browser. In real life, I use a different profile for QuickBooks Online than I do for work and different from what I do for business. This is because I clear my cache and cookies so often. But the point of me telling you this is that I have a browser with all the reports that I'm grabbing on a regular basis just bookmarked across the top. It's not cluttered up with the other bookmarks I have for my personal life and for my business. So let me just show you. So up here I have this bookmark, expenses by vendor summary. Let me show you how you can get to it, and then I'll show you how the bookmark is helping me. So I go to reports, and then I go click on it. In the drop down, it's almost always the first thing. I can click on it, it shows up here. It's not a lot of effort. But if I'm doing something on a regular basis, maybe I do want it bookmarked, right? That's the whole reason for bookmarks. The only trick or the only thing to know is if you're working with multiple client files, the name of the business will change when you click on the bookmark. It will remember what was the name of the business when you created this in the first place. So if you're a small business owner and you're going to make bookmarks, you're totally fine. You don't care. If you're a bookkeeper like me and you're going between different client files, you're going to care. This name will change and you don't want your client to see the name of something else. So let's just take a look at it. At the top, it says Craig's Design, and at the bottom, our number is 8232. If I click on Expenses by Vendor Summary, it's going to regenerate. 8232 remains the same number, except for the name of the business changes. This is probably something that I can change in the bookmark, but honestly, I've just never done it. It's got to be somewhere in this thing, and somebody more passionate or more excited about it can definitely take care of that. But I just wanted you to see, maybe you're getting to something on a regular basis. Maybe it'd be helpful to have it bookmarked. Let's just take bills, right? Not a report, just I want to go to the bill screen. I'll bookmark it, bills. Oh, hold on. I will put it on the bookmarks bar and done. Okay, so I bookmarked bills. Let me just go to transactions, go to a different screen. And then I can go to bills. So if there's anything you're wanting to go to on a regular basis, you 100% can put in the bookmarks on the left-hand side of your screen, or you can put it in your Chrome browser. If you put it in your Chrome browser, it just makes it real fast to get to. So 2 routes to the same place. Whatever works for you makes me happy. Any questions, any topic ideas, anything, leave them below. Thanks. Bye.